So the children who've had a transplant pick a marble, it's yellow for liver or red for renal, and they place the marble in the box when they on their discharge day as a celebration of how brave they've done and how far they've come. And at the end it finishes at the bottom and stays in the bottom as a legacy for us and for them.
What did you put in this hole? Do you remember?
A bead.
A marble. What colour was the marble?
Yellow.
Yellow. Why did you put it in there?
Because I had a transplant.
Because you had a transplant. And did you like doing it? Is it something good? And did you watch the marble go all the way down?
It used to be that children used to get discharged and they used to just leave the ward and there was never any anything to celebrate, whereas now I think that it's such a thing to look forward to, but also a big celebration for when children leave.
All these signify every single transplant Leeds have done. So you can see how many they do, and it's just, she loved doing it. It was something that meant a lot to us.
But I'm hoping that via social media, parents and children can look forward to this as something that they can do when they get discharged.
The end of the journey, it's a long, hard journey, and it's something that they enjoy and something to look forward to and something that signifies what they've been through.